Good morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Today, I'm with Randy Bear 5000. What do you want to do today?
I think we should do some riding. I think we should do some food eating. Let things play out the way they will.
Let things play out. I like that attitude. You know what? Some of my best videos have fallen into that format.
Yeah.
I guess we're going to keep it easy. You know what we could do? Let's do something fun for somebody. Let's go down to Tribuco General Store. We'll see Bob, and maybe somebody will be there that watches our videos, and let's invite them to lunch. Our treat.
Good idea.
Wouldn't that'd be kind of fun, right? Get out of my way, Prius. That means you. You know the biggest thing about this bike that I don't like? Slipper clutch. The GSX-R has one, and that's one of my favorite parts about that bike. That's what enables me to slide around like I do, if you didn't know. Oh, I guess you guys are probably wondering where the GSX-R is. Should have told you. GSX-R is getting some routine maintenance. We're doing chains and sprockets and brake pads all around. You need fuel? You need gas? All right. Screechy, screechy. We were at this gas station previously, and then we went to another gas station, and then you realized we needed fuel, so we came back again.
And around it goes.
Is today Saturday or Sunday? These levers suck. On my dirt bike, I put Flow levers on, and I really like them. These are horrible. I wonder if Flow makes levers for all bikes. I'm gonna look into that.
Can you top off?
No, I'm okay, sir. Besides, I only put 87 octane in this. Jan sells. What do you think Jan sells? Drugs? These cars are awesome. I think in Australia they're called a Holden. Here they're the GTO. In Australia they also make a El Camino style, where it's like a car slash truck. It's true. Oh damn, dude. A bird flew right out in front of that BMW. I thought it was a goner, but he survived it. He made it. Daredevil bird. If I was a bird, I'd pull that shit. I'd be daring all my buddies, hanging out in trees, hanging out on some branch, daring each other to see how close they could get to passing cars. Yeah, for sure. Right? I'd be all about that. These things are so cool. Bob, you little bitch. How you been, dude? Huh? You partying today? Look at me when I talk to you. Bob, what we got, man? Whoops. Luckily, I'm a mechanic. What? The extra wheel. Okay. All right, what do you got, Bob? You got anything? Bob's got stuff. A piece to the puzzle. There's a bunch of stuff. K1 speed, $5. Sorry, I won't go there anymore because they don't allow me to record while driving carts. Code enforcement officer again. Thank you so much for sending my husband the shirt, keychain, and stickers. Made his birthday. If possible, can you please give my husband, Todd Holson, a shout out? He would be so happy. Todd, thanks for watching, man. Glad you're liking the channel. Bob appreciates it too. What else do we got? Boston baked beans, candy coated peanut, okay. What was that?
It's a string.
I hope it wasn't a tampon. Oh, I love these things. Bob's coming up strong today. Woo! Oh, the puzzle piece says something. It says, Pops couldn't make it. He sent one of his puzzle pieces with us. Love, the Rups. What do I got for you, Bobby? We got $10 off a Chaparral. Could all use 10 bucks. And we'll throw in a stick. That's all you get, Bobby. No, you were good today. I'll give you another sticker. And another $10 Chaparral gift card. Bobby, you need a wash. I'm gonna try the orange drink. Double dose.
Sounds interesting.
Has anybody came to see Bob today except for us?
Actually, the puzzle piece came in today.
Thank you.
Take care.
Gotcha. You dead? Oh my god, I killed Randy Bear. I'm sorry, Randy Bear.
I was actually bringing you something. Hey, you just made my day. I was like, is that the link cat? Yes.
What's up, man? How are you?
That's my dad.
Nice to meet you, Dad.
Nice to meet you.
I got something for you guys. $10 Chaparral card.
A few things we'll throw in there to just...
There you go.
Okay. Yeah, man, I was going to give you, I had a couple things.
So is this stacked with money?
No.
There's like $1 million in here? From Alex and Ike. I always think it's important to read the letters before you look at the gifts. All right, dude. American flag. Operation Enduring Freedom, Anti-Terrorist Task Force. Hi-ho, the Army. Yeah. Guys, this is really cool. Thank you. We're just going to go get some lunch. Do you guys want to join us? My treat.
You know he's going to say yeah. I'm going to say yeah.
You want to go check out this Mediterranean place that I just stumbled across?
Sure.
So I spent a little bit of time on my phone and I came across this Mediterranean place that looks amazing. You know, it's not that often that we have Mediterranean food on this channel. I can't even remember the last time we had it. I'm really excited about this place. It's called Chili Chutney Grill. It's in Lake Forest. It's been around for a while. You know, kebabs and pita and rice and all that stuff sounds really good right now. So that's definitely where we're gonna go. And I hope it's good because I offered to pay for everybody and I don't want to pay for shitty food. Ruff, 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 ruff. Chili chutney. Doesn't really sound like a Mediterranean place, does it? It sounds like a chili house. I don't belong here. Gotta move on here. Escape from this afterlife. 'Cause this time I'm right. Randy Bear. Oh, I wasn't paying attention. Damn it. I feel shame. I feel shame. I'll tell you what, riding this bike after riding the GSX-R, it's like driving a bus. It is. It's like a big fat bus. Doesn't turn well. Doesn't do anything good. I don't know what this bike was designed for, to be honest. My GPS stopped working, but I think this place is on Lake Forest Drive and Ridge Route, I think. This bike slides around pretty good though, doesn't it? I feel like this bike's got so much torque it could yank a tree out of the ground. On my website, SuburbanDelinquent.com, I have a new shirt. It's a 5 Years of Mayhem shirt. With this 5 Year Mayhem shirt, there's a key tag that comes along with it. And it's free. So you buy a shirt, you get a free key tag. The thing of it is, I don't have a lot of these key tags. Once they're gone, and I'm gonna retire the shirt and the key tag. So if you haven't yet, get on the website, go check out that stuff. Maybe it's something that you'd be interested in. Can you believe it? We've been doing this for 5 years. It's a lot of miles, man. A lot of miles. A lot of memories, a lot of fun. Thank you guys for being a part of this channel for that long. 5 years of mayhem. Randy Bear's getting hot on the juice. Green, 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 green. Green. What are you riding, Alex? What is that?
Honda Rebel.
Honda Rebel? It's a good bike, man. You like it?
Yeah, I love it.
Good.
Yeah.
Okay, so I think this restaurant is at the end of this road, way down there. I don't know. Geez, that's a really red truck. This place is so good. There it is. All right, let's see. chili chutney. What'd you think, man?
I thought it was amazing.
It was amazing.
I'm gonna give it a 9.89.
That's a tall rating.
Solid.
So you'd be back.
I'll definitely be back.
You and I, we got this king kebab platter thing, right? It had beef, chicken, and what was that third thing?
Something,
but it was good nonetheless. We had a big thing of rice. You guys had like a lamb combo, so it was like salad and lamb and stuff. That looked really good too. Would you guys come back if you're in the area?
100%.
For sure, right?
Yeah.
About $100 for everything you saw on the table today. And with that, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't yet, subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you're aware of when I do upload a video. Be part of that notification squad. Check out SuburbanDelinquent.com. Get all the latest and greatest. I'm always adding new stuff there. Big shout out to all the Patreons. Appreciate all of you. Each and every one of you that contribute really make a difference, man. Makes it all worthwhile. I promise you that. Please support the channel sponsors, Chaparral Motorsports, law offices of Henry Haddad, and Voss Helmets. Get that signature delinquent helmet. Make sure you check out Extra Delinquent, the second channel. It's another channel for you to check out if you're into this stuff. Pleasure meeting Ike. Thanks for coming out. And Alex, new rider. You got a hell of a bike. Dude, your attitude is great. Be patient and you'll go far, man. I promise you that. Thank you for the gifts. Happy Father's Day. That's it. I'll catch you guys next time. Later. There you go.
That was awesome, dude. Yeah. It's so weird listening to it in person versus over the video. It's so cool, though.
The magic's gone.
I forgot to.
No, dude. Yeah.
No, there was no magic gone, dude. You're cool.
Did I forget to do something?
I was thinking about the exhaust.
Oh, I'm tired of the exhaust.
You can't watch none of that South Park stuff.
Know it all.
Okay.
Idaho!
Hello, everybody.
Hi, boys and girls.
Let me get a selfie.